I wanted to do another quick video about the double iPhone speakers which I sell, and this video is specifically about how to fit them, and it just shows how easy they are to put in your models, and it shows what an improvement you can make with 5 minutes work. This is a Bachmann class 47, but I've also done a 37 as well, which will feature in the video at the end. It's got a Lego Man Before sound decoder on a Lock Sound 4, and then it's also got the double iPhone speaker which just connects up to the two speaker terminals which are behind those plastic covers. So on the class 47 there's no soldering involved at all, the wires go into those holes, you push the covers back on and the speaker sits in the standard space where Bachmann provide for a speaker. I've stuck this speaker down with black tack, but you could use blue tack or PVA or anything really. It probably don't even need sticking down because it's quite a tight space anyway, so it'd fit quite nicely. The wires sit just above it and it slides underneath them, so nothing needs to be adjusted while you're doing it. So yeah, it's literally a 5-minute job. You can put the speaker in and put the body back on. It makes a really big difference to the sound, which you'll hear in the videos at the end. It's a similar process on the 37, but on the 37 I did have to take out the fan assembly, so I just took 2 screws out, removed the fans, and that made way for the speaker. You'd probably find that if you were fitting most speakers into a class 37. This speaker will fit quite a few different models. It'll fit in a class 66, a class 57, a class 45, various different things, and I've got different sizes and different versions for different models. So if you've got any questions, just ask me and I'll be able to tell you which one's the best one to go for. In terms of sound quality, it's not as good as the Mega Bass which I sell, but it is significantly smaller. It's very easy to fit as well. So considering how easy it is to do, I think it is probably the best speaker that you'll be able to get that goes inside the Bachmann class 47 or the other Bachmann diesels. If you'd like to buy one of these speakers, have a look at the video description and there's some details about where you can get them from. And if you want to have a listen to them, just keep watching the video. I'm going to play this and the class 37 and you can hear what they sound like. If you look through my other videos, there's also some videos of a class 68, a class 66, a class 57, and probably some other stuff that I've missed. So you can have a look at those with this speaker as well.